guys, so I am almost ready. And Stephanie got the shirts. I did a bronze cut crease, big lashes, and red lipstick. This is Seraphine by Anastasia. Just stopped and got me some Starbucks for the ride. It's like an hour away. It's at Tomok's Tavern in Orlando, and I'm so out of breath. But basically, it's a black shirt, black heels, black closed-toed heels, red or pink lipstick, and our curls shirt, which I don't have at the moment. And you know, curls, they still drying, but they is popping. Got my little bun up there. This is like my signature hairstyle, like seriously. But about to drive. Yeah, I would have gotten ready in this video, but I have to use my camera to film there, so I just wanted to make sure my battery was like, gotta make sure that was full battery. I will definitely let you guys know how I feel when I get there, but I'm a little bit nervous right now because this is my first time ever meeting up with my curl friends. So, but I know some of them a little bit, so I'm not the newest one, but I've never been to an event before because I've been sick again. Unfortunately, my tonsils are swollen. I have a kidney infection. I cannot deal. But yeah, let me get on this road because I have an hour drive. say that I had an amazing time with my girls and I met some new girlfriends. When did my mom get more bananas? But anyways, I'm ready to go to bed because currently 11:19 and I work 7:30 to 6 tomorrow, but it's definitely worth it. I hope to vlog some more with my girlfriends and with girls and everything like that. So happy I got my shirt finally. I'm so happy. Can't understand. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed because I need to get this off my face. I need to go to bed. Good night, guys. I'll see you in my next video.